Now that you've taken a quick tour of the Prozody studio, let's take you into the studio once again and through a step-by-step process of how to produce your own audiobook from start to finish. Let's enter the studio for the project we created earlier. Since this is a new project, when you open up the navigation pane, you'll only see two sections, the opening and end credits. These are mandatory sections that distributors like Audible require every audiobook to have, so we created these for you. Every other section in your audiobook, the dedication, the prologue, all your chapters, the section breaks, the afterword, all of that you need to add in yourself, making a new section for each one. To do that, go to the field at the bottom of the navigation pane that says Add a Section and type in the title of the section. Do that for each section in your book. Now you can reposition your sections as needed by using the drag handles. Now you might notice that you can't put a section before the opening credits or after the end credits. That's because your audiobook must begin with the opening credits and end with the end credits to meet submission requirements to distributors. All your front matter, the dedication, the foreword, introduction, prologue, all of that needs to be positioned after the opening credits. Your back matter, your acknowledgments, afterword, epilogue, all of that needs to be positioned before the end credits. And if you ever need to retitle a section to correct a spelling mistake or for any other reason, click on the section, click the three dots next to the title of the section in the main window, and click Edit. Similarly, if you need to delete a chapter, click the three dots and click Delete. Because that's a pretty hefty decision, you'll have to type the name of the section to confirm. Great, you're all set up. Now let's start recording.